Today, we're diving into how to create project timelines in Confluence, a skill that can seriously boost your team's productivity and keep everyone on the same page, literally. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use Confluence's built-in templates like whiteboards and roadmaps to build clear visual project timelines that your whole team can collaborate on. Let's jump right in. The first step is to create a new page in the right part of your workspace. So head over to your chosen space in Confluence. Think of it like a folder for your project or department. Once you're there, click the Create button. Here, where you get to decide how you want your timeline to look and function. If you want something visual and flexible, like a whiteboard you can rearrange, select the whiteboard option. Or if you'd prefer a traditional timeline style, look for templates like roadmap or project plan in the template library. These are pre-built, which means you don't have to start from scratch, and they're designed specifically for mapping out project timelines and deliverables. After your blank canvas opens up, it's time to start adding elements to lay out your timeline. Imagine you're piecing together a puzzle. Use shapes to represent major phases, sticky notes for individual tasks, and connector lines to show how everything is linked together, just like connecting the dots. For example, you might create a series of sticky notes for tasks like research, design, and testing. Then use arrows or lines to indicate which tasks come after one another. This visual structure not only helps you stay organized, but it also gives your team a bird's-eye view, kind of like mapping your route before a big road trip so there are no surprise detours. Now, don't forget the details. Start labeling each phase, task, and milestone so it's instantly clear what each element represents. This is where you can really make your timeline pop. Assign colors to categories, like blue for design, yellow for development, and green for completed work. Colors make information easier to scan at a glance, especially when the timeline starts getting busy. And here's a pro tip. If you have more info about a particular task, like a spec doc or meeting notes, you can link directly to those detailed Confluence pages right from your timeline. This way, your team can go deeper with just a click, keeping everything connected and easy to find. Once your timeline is looking good, it's time to share your work and start collaborating. At the top right, just click the Share button and choose who you want to send it to. Don't hesitate to invite teammates in for feedback. After all, 2 or more heads are better than 1. Collaborators can leave comments, suggest changes, or add new tasks as things progress. And as your project advances, you or your teammates can update the timeline, making it a living document that grows with your project. It's way better than static emails, and it keeps everyone up to date and aligned. That's all there is to it. Creating project timelines in Confluence is straightforward, but it unlocks a ton of clarity and teamwork for any project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips about getting the most out of Confluence. And if you want to see more practical tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy planning.